Hi, hello, good morning, everybody. I have come up with a useful video lesson on compound nouns. Let's learn today what is a compound noun. Compound noun అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసుకుందాం. Answer. A compound noun is a noun made up of two or more words that function together as a single unit. సమ్మేళన నామవాచకం అనేది ఒక యూనిట్గా కలిసి పనిచేసే రెండు లేదా అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ పదాలతో రూపొందించబడిన నామవాచకం. నోట్, వి రైట్ దెమ్ ఇన్ 3 ways ఇన్ రైటింగ్. 3 పద్ధతులుగా రాస్తాం దీన్ని. 1 word, బుక్ షెల్ఫ్. Separate words, post office. Hyphenated words, self portrait. Let's learn clearly about this. ఫుడ్ అండ్ డ్రింక్. దీనిలో ఉన్న మాటల గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. కాంపౌండ్ నౌన్స్. బర్త్డే కేక్. కేక్ ఈటెన్ ఆన్ వన్స్ బర్త్డే. ఐ ఏట్ బర్త్డే కేక్. చూసారా, 3 మాటలు ఉన్నాయి. ఫిష్ శాండ్విచ్. శాండ్విచ్ విత్ ఫిష్ యాజ్ ఫిల్లింగ్. ఐ లైక్ ఫిష్ శాండ్విచ్. ఐస్ క్రీమ్. ఫ్రోజన్ డిజర్ట్ మేడ్ ఫ్రమ్ క్రీమ్ అండ్ షుగర్. I bought ice cream. Meatball. Small ball of ground meat. She ate a meatball. Pineapple juice. Juice made from pineapple. He drank pineapple juice. Animals and pets. Dog house. Small house for dogs. I built a dog house. Fish bowl. Bowl for keeping fish. It's my fish bowl. Horseback. On the back of a horse. She rode horseback. Pet store. Store that sells pets and pet supplies. I visited a pet store. Wildlife. Animals living in their natural habitats. I saw wildlife on safari. Places and buildings గురించి కాంపౌండ్ నౌన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయో నేర్చుకుందాం. Airport. A place where airplanes take off and land. I arrived at the airport. Bookstore. Store that sells books. This is a big bookstore. City Hall. Building where city government is located. She went to City Hall. Fire station. Building where firefighters work. He visited a fire station. Hotel room. Room in a hotel where guests stay. I stayed in a hotel room. Objects and things. ఇవి కూడా కాంపౌండ్ నౌన్స్లో ఉంటాయి, నేర్చుకుందాం. Bicycle helmet. Helmet worn while riding a bicycle. I always wear a bicycle helmet. Cell phone. Portable phone that uses cellular technology. I used a cell phone. Mailbox. Box where mail is delivered. I checked my mailbox. Toothbrush. Brush used for cleaning teeth. I used a toothbrush. People and relationships. Birth mother. Woman who gives birth to a child. She is a birth mother. Classmate. Person who is in the same class as another. He is my classmate. Co-worker. Person who works with another. She is my co-worker. Grandfather. Father of one's parents. He is my grandfather. Stepmother. Wife of one's parent who is not one's biological parent. I met my stepmother. Events and activities. Birthday party. Party to celebrate one's birthday. I attended a birthday party. Football. Game played with an oval-shaped ball. They are playing football. Holiday season. Time of year when holidays are celebrated. They enjoy the holiday season. Marriage ceremony, ritual in which two people get married. I attend a marriage ceremony. Music festival, event featuring live music party. They attended a musical festival. Education and work గురించి కూడా తెలుసుకుందాం. Art project, creative work made for an art class. She worked on an art project. Business meeting, gathering of people to discuss business. I attend a business meeting. Classroom, room where classes are held. I sat in a classroom. Job interview, meeting to discuss a potential job. She had a job interview. Research paper, written work that presents research findings. I wrote a research paper. Health and medicine గురించి కూడా తెలుసుకుందాం. బ్లడ్ టెస్ట్, మెడికల్ టెస్ట్ దట్ అనలైజ్ బ్లడ్. He had a blood test. Doctor's appointment, meeting with a doctor for medical care. He had a doctor's appointment. Health insurance, insurance that covers medical expenses. She has a health insurance. Hospital room, room in a hospital where patients stay. They visited a hospital room. Medical bill, for medical service or treatment. He paid a medical bill. Sports and recreation. Baseball bat, bat used to hit a baseball. I swung a baseball bat. Bicycle path, path for bicycle to follow. I rode on a bicycle path.